Hello guys, back with another video. Today I'm frying chicken tenders. Yep, they almost done. And I got a pasta salad that I made. I'm gonna show you guys my pasta salad. I made this last night. Okay. I have some shrimp, pasta, cheese. I think it's some olives somewhere. Did I put olives in here? Cheese, shrimp. I had turkey. So I'm gonna have a little of that. This salad will last me for a while. You see my coffee here. So that's for dinner. I'm just waiting for them to finish cooking. So how you guys' day so far? I hope all is well. Mine is going well so far. It's snowy, very cloudy, and snowy, and of course cold. And my son here has some corn. I'm just gonna eat my pasta. And I'm going to have for dessert these chocolate chip cookies I bought from Dollar Tree. I got these from Dollar Tree. They also had sugar cookies with the M&Ms in there. So we have a Dollar Tree. If you like these cookies, I think you get 6 in a pack. And it said big cookies, so I might have 1 or 2 for dessert. Alrighty, you guys, and I thank you for watching. Bye bye now.